Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I have my empties for February 2019. I used up so much stuff this month. It's like ridiculous, so this is gonna be long. If you don't know me, hi. I go through my videos one shot, no retakes, no edits. It's raw, it's real. I make mistakes, I stutter, and that is what it is. So grab a snack, and this is day one hair. My roots are slightly wet, but I feel like one side is behaving so much better than like the other side today, and it's driving me a little crazy. But do you guys ever have that where like one side's good and the other side's like eh? Alright, I digress. Let's get on to the empties. So the first thing I used up is my set of 12 Supersmile Professional Activating Rods. Supersmile is the only toothpaste and brand I've been using on my teeth for over a decade now. These are little whitening rods that you use once a week, and they help even like further whiten your teeth than the toothpaste and the accelerator alone. Really love them. Have another one on the way because I use them weekly and they're a great product. So next thing I used up is the huge 13.5 fluid ounce of Josie Maran's whipped argan oil butter. Scent pure vanilla bean, one of my favorite scents by her. Very gourmand but very light, kind of smells like Breyers vanilla ice cream. One of my favorite body lotions. It just leaves my skin so soft and so silky, absorbs right in. And I'm actually, you might not see another one of these in an empties for a while because I'm forcing myself to go through my lotion stash because I have a whole bunch of other lotions too, and I just always reach for my Josie, so I'm like, no, you're taking a break and using others. And I've been using others and like they're working nice too, so just a heads up. Next I used up by Harmon Face Value Lovely Curls Leave-In Curl Volumizer. This is the dupe of Diva Curl Believe-In, which is like kind of like a protein styler. I like to use this when on wet hair. I'll do my leave-in, I'll do this, then I'll do my gel and oil, and what this additional step does is it kind of fills in gaps in the cuticles, helps with any hair that's too fine, too weak, too damaged, to strengthen them, to give curl definition, and it's just like a magic product that when I use it versus when I don't, I really see a difference. So with this or Believe-In, they're one and the same to me. I mean, this brand is essentially a Diva Curl knockoff, and I like them, but I like the Believe-In too, so whatever way you want to go if you want to try them. Next I used up a spray by Curlsmith, and this is the Moisture Memory Reactivator Spray, and this is to help refresh day 2, day 3 hair. It also has heat and UV protection in it. It's a little richer than most sprays, which I liked because I like getting a little weight to my hair because I'm anti-volume, anti-poof, want to like calm it down, so I did like that. The spray on this was very hard to use. I don't know why, but like it didn't spray easy and it didn't come out. So when I was using it, I did put it in a different spray bottle and it worked a lot better that way, but it was a nice product. Little went a long way. I was actually quite surprised how long this lasted me, so I would definitely get that one again. Next I used up, this is an old product. This is by Living Proof, and this is called AMP2 Instant Texture Volumizer. I'm pretty sure that this like package has been remade, and this is almost like a pomade, but it kind of had like a tacky cream feel to it, and I would use it like a pomade like on the sections that would drive me nuts like this, or to temporarily mend split ends, or if some frizz was being too rebellious. And this little jar, this 2-ounce jar, lasted me years. Really good product. Actually, if they do still sell this, I would definitely buy another one. I don't even know if it's been discontinued. Next, by Prose. I love this product. I'm putting my hand over the zip code, but yeah. This is a custom hair care with an extensive quiz, and you could get a shampoo, conditioner, and a pre-shampoo mask. It's the only custom hair care I know that we could get a mask or a treatment, and this is so good. I still want to try the shampoo and conditioner, but using this mask once a week, like I did use it the last time this morning actually, and my hair just feels softer, silkier, like it's just more manageable. The smell that I selected of this is so good too. Forgot the name of the scent I got. Doesn't say what scent I got, but really good. Love the quiz. Have a discount code if you're interested in Prose. I will leave it below, and it's all sulfate free, and you have the option to make it silicone free, vegan, gluten free too. So good. Oh my god, it just smells delicious. I have another one too. Like when I knew I was getting low on that one, I ordered another one because that's how much I really like it. Next by Lush, American Pie Body Conditioner. This was a disappointment. Product-wise, it's good. It is an in-shower body lotion. I actually have another one in here. You know what? Let me talk about them both at once. Here's my other guy. Okay, so I have the same thing also in Snow Fairy. So the body conditioners, after you shower and cleanse with body wash, rinse it off. You put these on in the shower, you rinse it off. You don't need lotion. They leave my skin so soft and like silky and feeling really nice. Snow Fairy smells amazing. It's one of my favorite Lush scents ever. It smells like cotton candy. It is just deliciously sweet. Really, really good. And it says mango butter and a cotton candy perfume. Comes around Christmas. Love it. Can never wait to get it when Christmas time comes. American Pie was a limited edition for, I think it was for Valentine's Day. And this is a sweet blend of skin softening butters. Here we go. Fresh strawberry and orange infusion, leaving the skin smelling divine. And this is the same scent if you know of Lush's American Cream Conditioner. And I smelled it in the store and it smelled good, but once it was in the shower, it smelled weird. Like, yeah, I don't know. There's something in it that my nose didn't like. And, well, I'm glad I only bought one because it wouldn't be repurchased. Saving my Lush jars, by the way, because if you turn 5 of them in, you get a free face mask. 2 boxes of the Wander Beauty Baggage Clam Gold Eye Mask. I did not use 2 boxes in a month. Each box comes with 6 pairs of masks, and each pair I could use 3 times if I open them carefully. I just kind of condensed them all into one box to make room in my drawer. So, excellent under eye masks for like whatever you have going on, dark circles, fine lines, puffiness. The really nice gold foil, traps in the heat, just really awesome stuff. Use up a dry shampoo by Hask, and this is the Monoi Coconut Dry Shampoo. I like Hask. They have a biotin dry shampoo that I really like a lot. This one was okay. Didn't like the scent. Not a huge fan of coconut scents, so I don't know why I bought the coconut one. I guess because sometimes, you know, everything's different and why not try it out. So, use that. Used up an Olaplex No. 3. Love this stuff. Use up one of these a month. Like, I really feel like I do use up one of these a month. And it's just great. This is the other pre-shampoo treatment I use. I'll use the Prose one wash, and I use this the other wash. I wash my hair twice a week. Great bond builder. If you haven't heard of Olaplex 3, I'll post my video. I reviewed it. It's funny. I actually did a video back in January while I did the footage of a video of applying 1 and 2 from Olaplex. Why I use that one once a month instead of once a week like I use this one. And the raw footage has been sitting on my computer and I just don't feel like editing it. So, yeah. Why did I just waste time telling you that? I don't know. Used up a makeup product. This is old. This is by Laura Geller. And this is the Baked Body Frosting Angel Glow. This lasted me at least 5 years. And that is complete pan, everybody. That is complete pan. I really liked using this under my brow bone as just like a neutral shade with a little glow with like any other eyeshadow I had on. You could use it on the body too. I didn't, but it was huge and I didn't think I'd ever see the pan on this, so it was pretty impressive actually. At least I think so. Next by Briogeo, I use up the Charisma, the Chia and Flaxseed Coil Custard. I love this as a second day styler because it adds a lot of moisture to my hair, helps with frizz, kind of gives bounce backs, has a little bit of hold, and has a little bit of weight. I really like the weight again to deep-proof my hair. If you like volume, if you have fine hair, go with their leave-in cream instead because this will be too rich for you. A little goes a long way. I have more of these. This is such a fantastic product, as all of Briogeo's line is. They are one of my favorites, which if you watch me, I'm sure you know. But yeah, I'm talking fast. I'm going fast just because I have so much stuff. So this was by Curlsmith, and this is the Scalp Stimulating Booster. And this you use every morning, and it's supposed to nourishment, energy, vitality, I guess help promote healthy hair growth. And I mean, I like it, no complaints. My hair does feel like it did get pretty long. I wonder if using this and using the night one helped. I did stop the night one because I ran out of it, so I'm using another night mix too, but don't have really the money to spend on these at the moment, but I'll get them again eventually because I want to see what Continued Use does. Next, used up Raw Curls Firm Hold Gel, one of my favorite gels. I took the pump from this one and it's in my new one. Really clean, really organic, nice strong hold, helps with frizz, and gives me multi-day hair. Another great line, one of my favorites. Next, used up by As I Am Long and Luxe GroYogurt Leave-In Conditioner. Smelled really good. Pomegranate and passion fruit. There is amyl dimethicone in here, so if you're a strict CG, you're not going to want to use it. Really nice. Actually, I didn't use this on wet hair, but I did use this sometimes on day 2, day 3 to add a moisture. Had nice slip. Really not bad, but I have so many other products that it wouldn't be a rebuy right away. And since I do, like, I'll test out and use some products with silicones, but I still very much prefer silicone-free, so probably wouldn't rebuy it. This is an oil blend by a brand called Cake. I got this in Ulta a while ago. This is the Inca Oil Extraordinaire for body, face, and hair. I use it on all 3. I was actually adding this to my baths quite a bit. And it says Inca is the richest plant-based source of omegas 3, 6, and 9 in the world. Wasn't so great on my hair, but it felt really nice on my skin. Smelled a little powdery. There's other oils that I love, so I wouldn't rebuy it. Next, I used up a teeny tiny Wen Replenishing Treatment Mist in this scent, Winter Vanilla Mint. I love this scent. It smells like chocolate mint. And this is actually a really nice refreshing spray. And years ago, I'm sure very few of you might remember, like I used to like use when and only when and love it. And then my scalp got itchy from it, so I stopped using the cleansing conditioner. But the styling products are still good. Although I forget if this has a silicone in it or not. I'm not about to go squint and read the font. But nice refresher spray nonetheless. So moving on, from Diane, the Sulfur Refining Mask. This is such a great mask. It is a clay mask that you only leave on for 3 minutes. So I feel like 3 minutes is so easy. You put it on, you floss your teeth, you brush your teeth, you mouthwash, boom, time to take it off in the same amount of time. It really does a great job like cleaning any crap out of my skin, leaving my skin smooth, helping the texture. And Diane, if you don't know, is a skincare line for like adult acne skin. Works really well. I was using her line exclusively for over a year, and now I'm integrating in other skincare products. And it's not that her products are bad, because they're not. It's just that kind of rather get products at like a place like Sephora or Ulta where I get reward points for using the products. I don't know. Does that make sense? Is that silly? I don't know. Anyway, used up the NuFace Gel Primer. This is the one with the hyaluronic acid in it. It's a leave-on primer, and my NuFace, I love that thing. It's a microcurrent that helps contour your face. I swear by it. I did a video a few months ago on it. I'll post it below, just with my routine talking about it. And I can't look. It's gotten quite a few views, at least in my opinion, compared to my other videos. And there's a lot of mean comments on the video that don't get approved too. Anyway, discontinued product. Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Gel to Oil Overnight Repair Treatment. I use this sometimes overnight. They don't make it anymore. Just like, I love the Don't Despair Repair with the mask. So that was like an overnight version. I don't want to like dwell on it because you really can't get it. Speaking of, got a jar of Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. My favorite mask of all time. I absolutely love it. I talk about it so much. A great protein moisture balance. Just does wonders for my hair. I have a Briogeo discount below if you want. Moving on, like I said, guys, there's just so much left. So we have this Jessie Curl Touche Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. Love Jessie Curl's line. Touche is one of my favorite leave-ins because it is heavier, so it gives me the weight that I tell you that I want in my hair, but it leaves my hair so soft. I love the extracts in it. There's hair growth ingredients in it, and it just makes my hair very manageable. Little goes a long way. Great, great product, as is her whole line. Next, another Diane product. This is her acne eraser. It said 10%, but I kind of mixed the 10% with the 5% because 10 was too much, 5 was too little, and used it at night. Really great for helping to keep my acne at bay. I have another 5% in my bathroom now. Used up a Lush body wash. This is Ectoplasm Shower Cream. Tangerine, grapefruit, almond oil. Really nice and like brightening and citrusy, and smells really good actually. It smells like lemonade a little bit. So this is the body cream. I love Lush's not body cream, shower creams instead of like body washes. Creams are a bit more moisturizing, and I always like moisturizing stuff on my skin. Used up this Bare Minerals Ageless Genius Firming and Wrinkle Smoothing Neck Cream. This is the small size. I do have the big pro size now from QVC. One of my favorite neck creams. I use them exclusively for years, but now I have the It Cosmetics neck cream too, which is like equally amazing. So I'm kind of like switching off between the two, using one in the morning, one at night. I didn't realize I was going to make that loud sound. Use the Wander, there's cotton on this, okay, Wander Beauty Drift Away Cleanser. So this is like a gel cleanser that when you pump it, it lathers, and this is the mini size. I do have a big size too. The smell of this is so soothing. I feel like it's more chamomile or lavender, but I use this at night. I use it to take off my makeup. I really liked how it takes off my makeup. Even waterproof mascara effortlessly. Left my lashes feeling like really soft. Left my skin feeling soft. And really nice cleanser. What does it say? Gel de Foam Cleanser. Gives a double cleanse effect. I still liked following it with an acne cleanser, but I wouldn't mind a full size of it. It was really nice. So moving on, from Drunk Elephant TLC Firm Boost Glycolic Night Serum. It's another one of these little guys. I have a whole bunch of these I got on sale in Sephora's VIB sale. So this is the AHA BHA acids. I cleanse my skin at night. Use this, then go in with the rest of my skincare, and it really helps to like resurface the skin, just like even out the tone, helps with blemishes, help with wrinkles. It's like an all-in-one. Love the pump. Have more of them. Great product. Used up Diane's Vitamin A Serum, and this is her retinol. It says anti-aging and firming, and this is one of the best retinols I've ever used. It was strong, but I really liked it. It did help like clear my complexion, give me even tone. I have some other retinols that I do want to use up, but I wouldn't mind getting this one and using it again. I thought it was really, really effective. Jessie Curl's Oil Blends, another Jessie Curl product. Love this so much. I use it to sometimes seal my wet hair. Like I said, I'll do leave-in. I'll do the like Believe In or Believe In dupe for protein gel, and then I like to seal with this. Use it on day 2, day 3 hair if I have some frizz, if my hair is being weird and I just need to tame it, add shine, do whatever. Great. This is avocado, coconut, and what is the third oil in here? There's another avocado, coconut. I can't see it. I think there's another oil in here too, but works really well. Little goes a long way, and it's lighter weight than other oils too, which is nice. Next, use up a mascara. This is by Mally. This is a Lift and Curl mascara. This was okay. It made my lashes look really good, but it would flake and bother my eyes, and my eyes are sensitive. Leaving this here because I have to wash the wand. I mail all my wands to the Appalachian Wildlife. They use the wands to help animals. I'll post that link below if you are interested. Used up a Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream, and this is the mini size. So this was their face lotion. I was using Protini, their other lotion, and I liked it. Wasn't enough for winter. Had this one. It was okay. I didn't actually love it. Now I'm using the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce Moisturizer, and I'm like, why did I ever stop using It Cosmetics Secret Sauce Moisturizer? Because it's mind-blowing. So I'm sorry. Like, this is the first Drunk Elephant product I've tried that I'm not like super duper obsessed with. But, you know, everyone's different. You can't love every product from every line. Next, use Tula's Revitalizing Eye Cream. It was okay. It was an eye cream. I don't have an eye cream that I'm, like, super duper in love with, obsessed. So, if you have an eye cream that you love that, like, helps fine lines and helps dryness, because my, like, under eyes have been dry. Like, I know, like, no eye cream actually does work on dark circles. Like, you just have to conceal them. But if you know, like, a really great eye cream that's cruelty-free, let me know below. I've tried so many. I don't have any that I absolutely love, but oh well. Okay guys, that is it. That is all of my empties for February 2019. Hopefully you liked the video. I'll try to do the list. Gonna be away, going on my honeymoon. Don't know if I'll be back or if I'll be away while you watch this. So if I'm a little slow at responding to comments, you know why. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.